This is Professor L.B. Gaikwad's English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Professor L.B. Gaikwad is teaching today the topic The Purpose of Group Discussion. This is the lecture number 309 and part 4. Here today we are discussing the roles in the group discussion. Means the roles are very much important. Means the roles of the members and the group leader are very much important, and that's why today we are discussing about the roles of the members in the group discussion. We should understand that there are some things which can make discussions successful or unsuccessful. Means remember, everything happens successful or unsuccessful, and in that particular thing there are only the things which can make the matter unsuccessful, and that's why here today we are discussing about the roles of the members to make the group discussion successful. We have enjoyed many seminars, group discussions in our life, for example college life, conferences or seminars. In the discussion, the participants play the roles. Remember, here today we are going to talk about the roles, responsibilities of the players or of the members who play their roles in the particular group discussion. When we arrange the group discussions in the college students play their roles as the members in the group discussion. In this way, here the same thing is in front of us, which we are now going to discuss. Some roles are positive to the group and some roles are related with individuals' interest. Remember, there are some roles which are really positive, means some players do think positively and they think of the team and they think of the group success. But there are some members who think of only themselves. It means they play only for themselves, and that is the role of that member, which is really very negative, and it makes the damage to the success of the group. Such roles are against the goal of the group, so they are negative, and such roles are called the negative roles according to the linguists. Some group leaders play for their boasting and impression, and some members live for their moods and whims only. Remember, there are some group leaders who play their roles or they do their roles in the group discussion only for their boasting. It means that they want only the praise from others. Means people should praise them and people should say that this group leader is the best leader. It means that all these group leaders play their roles only for their boasting. And some members are there in the team who play for their moods and whims. Means their natures, their dispositions or their behaviors. Means sometimes as they like, they behave like that. And in this way, the success of the group discussion falls down. Some individuals have the hidden traits that they divert the discussion to other area as they are shaky, that is unstable in it. Remember, there are some members who are not confident of their own roles, and that's why they move their roles or their particular, I will say, the responsibility to other members in the team. And then what happens? The discipline or the particular conduct of the behavior goes to be wrong, and that's why their internal bad plans move discussion with planning and can bring tensions to the discussion. Remember, in this way, these members have their internal plans, strategies, and all these things damage the group discussion. It means they transfer the particular role to the member who can shine in it. It means that they feel that these members will do their roles very best in this group discussion, and that's why they move that action or that movement or that responsibility to the particular group member. But what happens, we will see now. It means they are not intelligent in their special area. It means that the group members who move the responsibilities to the other members are not intelligent or they are not studious, and that's why they do this role. And soon they try to cheat someone. It is the particular thing that they try to cheat someone, and only because of this cheating, what happens, we will see. Thus, as he or she cannot be expert at it, and remember, when the time comes, we see that the persons who have been given that particular responsibility or the responsibility which has been moved from that particular idle member, or I will say he has moved that responsibility to the particular member. What happens, at the proper time it comes to him. It means that at the sudden time it comes to him, and that's why he cannot understand well the meaning of that particular thing, and that's why that member cannot explain that matter properly, and then the group faces there the particular losing thing, I will say, on the part of the group discussion. And in such a situation, the total group can fail in the group discussion. Can fail, it means that the group can fail. It means we are discussing here that these type of responsibility should not happen by these members, and that's why we are discussing here that this can happen. But actually, so we have used here can. Especially the students can do this typical activity with their teachers to hide their ignorance. These things always happens on the part of the students because they are ignorant in their parts, in their study, and that's why they do such thing, and they bring the, I will say, bad occasion upon their particular teacher, and their group goes to lose the particular discipline of the group discussion. This is the dominating role and responsibility of such members, and it loses the spirit of the team members. The atmosphere of joking may be interesting to make the group discussion successful, but if the jokes are affecting wrongly, the discussion turns to a wrong side and the purpose fails. Remember, there are some members who do some jokes. It is good that if they are doing that discussion with a smile or with some jokes, light jokes, it is good. But actually what happens, sometimes they do the jokes, and those jokes are very harsh jokes, or suppose they are very boring jokes, and because of such jokes also the atmosphere or the spirit of the team goes to be lost. You should make apology for one such mistake, which can be to save us from the coming difficulty. It means that the group leader must change such persons into the particular positive behavior to make the group successful. The participants should not pass questions and comments with lengthy monologues. Remember, sometimes what happens, the members talk very longly. I will say they talk and talk and talk, this thing also becomes responsible for losing the team spirit. It means they should avoid their long comments and questions which are not necessary there, and those questions will reach the damage to the group, and that's why they should not be entertained there. Hence, the participants should perform only positive roles to maintain a cooperative and often very successful and open atmosphere in the group discussion. The participants should continue with happiness and responsibility with confidence. The participants should ask the information which they don't know, and they should give information to others. It means that they should transfer the information from one to another, because everyone does not know the particular information. That's why they should do this. They must react to the situation which has come before them. It means that if such type of situation comes before the member or before the, I will say, leader, they must handle it properly. You should consider other person's comments and give examples that way. Means, remember, if there are some comments from the public, those comments also should be understood, and in that way the behavior of the group discussion should go. So here today we have finished our discussion. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. I will request you to see all the notes which I have given in the description box. All the notes on which I have prepared this video, they are available in the description box. So please see them. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you very much.